34 years na po kami nakatira sa lupa na binili ng magulang ko. Deed of sale lang po yung meron kami kasi ayaw ng may-ari ipasubdivide yung lupa. Ngayon, nalaman namin binenta niya na pala yung lupa sa iba. May habol po ba kami? Okay, so hindi porket deed of sale lang yung hawak nyo, wala na kayong habol, no? So take note that a deed of absolute sale, as long as validly executed, is binding between the contracting parties. Okay? And regarding dun sa second buyer, no, yung pinagbentahan ng may-ari ng lupa, that buyer or the second buyer may be considered as a buyer in bad faith if that buyer failed to verify your actual possession. Take note that you were able to possess and occupy the property for a period of 34 years from the time na na-acquire or nabili ito ng magulang nyo. So the second buyer, he or she should have conducted due diligence to confirm or to verify your possession over the property. So if walang ganun or hindi siya nakapag-conduct ng due diligence or if alam niya na may nag-possess sa property pero wala siyang ginawa, then he or she may be considered a buyer in bad faith. Now regarding naman dun sa nagbenta, okay? If the former owner of the property aware na siya na hindi na siya yung may-ari ng lupa kasi nga nabenta na yun sa magulang nyo, then that seller may be also criminally liable for estafa because that seller, knowing fully well na hindi na siya yung may-ari, binenta pa rin niya sa ibang tao. Okay, so I hope that's clear and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.